Hi everyone, I'm Brendan Mullen, Zoom Coordinator for Causeway U3A. I've created a brief video guide about using Zoom to join our online activity meetings. Zoom meeting invitations are emailed to our members. Each emailed invitation to an online meeting will show the date and time of the Zoom meeting, the meeting ID, and a link to the meeting. If you haven't already installed Zoom on your computer, iPad or tablet, that email is a convenient and relatively simple way to do so. So I'm going to show you how to use the link in such an email to join our Zoom meeting. This video will concentrate on installing and using the Zoom app on an iPad. So let's start with a typical email of a Zoom invitation to one of our meetings. Okay, we're going to install and use Zoom on an iPad. We'll start with opening the email that has been sent to us from Causeway U3A inviting us to a Zoom meeting. About halfway down the screen you'll see Join Zoom Meeting, and below that a link. The link is in blue and it's underlined. Touch the link and it should open a page on your web browser. Now, what you'll see below the big button saying Launch Meeting, you'll see another line that says Don't have Zoom Client installed, download from App Store. And the App Store is in blue. It's a link to the App Store, so touch that. And that will quickly give you the Zoom app. So download it, hitting the little cloud symbol. Now, that's the app downloaded, and it's prompting us to open it, but we don't want to do that for the moment. Touch the home button and go back to your email. And again, touch the link for Join Zoom Meeting. And wait for Zoom to open. Right, click on Open. Now, it's important to enter your full name for our meetings. It's quite possible there may be people in the meeting who don't know you. So Brendan's iPad, there could be 2 or 3 Brendans and with Brendan's iPad on it. So it would be useful to have your full name here. It's surprising the number of times we have people with names like Jack's iPad or Valerie's iPad. OK for Zoom, would like to access the camera, OK. And join with video. Zoom would like to access the microphone, that's OK. And I usually don't allow this, but you can if you want. Now we're in the waiting room. All Causeway U3A meetings employ a waiting room as a security feature. Wait for the meeting host to admit you from the waiting room into the main meeting. It's good practice to join a meeting 5 to 10 minutes ahead of the starting time. It could well be that the host is heavily engaged, particularly in big meetings. You'll be heavily engaged in admitting attendees. It'll also give you time to address any unexpected problems with your connection, as well as giving you a chance to greet other attendees. Now the host is letting us in. OK, click on to hear others. Please join now to click on Wi-Fi or cellular data. OK. The large screen is the meeting host. In this case it's me. I've set up 2 computers to show this as an example. And the small screen is my iPad. And the large screen, as you see, has a virtual background. The small screen has got my actual background. Let's change from this large screen view, which is essentially the speaker view. Let's change to gallery view. Tap your screen, and there the third icon at the left is the switch to gallery view. Gallery view is handy when there are a number of people attending the meeting because it shows them in rows of small screens. Another important set of icons are the start and stop video, and muting. Here's how I mute. Notice now underneath my screen, beside my name, my microphone icon has got a red line through it. And now if I unmute, that line is cleared. I can also stop my video, like so. Another useful feature is chat. In a large meeting with a number of people, when too many people talk at once, they can't hear each other. So it's simpler to send them a message and use that with chat. So if we tap on the more at the top right, there's chat. Now we can send a message to everyone in the meeting, or if we click on everyone, we'll get a list of the current attendees. In this case, there's only one. It's the Causeway host. So we'll select them and send a message. And then hit the blue arrow to send it. To send it to everyone in the meeting, select everyone. Send the message. And then top left, close. Right, now to leave a meeting, you'll see if you tap the screen, top left, there's a red leave button. Hit that. Bye-bye.